Hi viewers, good evening. Welcome to Dimapur 24/7. Today we are here at Bethesda Higher Secondary School and we are going to cover a very important coverage. The mission is some cyclists from Manipur. They have started a mission and then they will be ending at Bangalore. They are on a mission to spread awareness on child sexual abuse and child trafficking. So yes, let's get more details on that.
Okay, so how is the experience so far?
It's been wonderful. We started this morning in Imphal and we cycled up to Dimapur. So it's about a 200 kilometer cycling ride that we did today. So it's been a challenging experience. The roads have been hard, but we were able to meet so many children, speak to them about why we're doing cycling. So it was a wonderful experience. Yeah.
What is your motive doing this?
Yes, so the real reason behind cycling is to be able to get children's attention so that we can speak and raise awareness on child sexual abuse. Every 4 minutes, there is a child who is being abused in India, in our country. And that's a big issue. There's a big problem. So we want to help people understand that this is real. This is happening in our countries. This is happening in our homes. So we want to help children understand that it is their ability to stay safe and what they can do to stay safe. So that's the real motive behind us cycling.
Yeah, I'll put a question like, as you said, this is for child abuse and all these things. But do you feel that by your this cycle this rally, will the children be able to understand what is it all about?
Yes, because the children are curious about why we are cycling. Every time we go to a school, the school is more than happy to receive us because this is a very delicate subject. It's not easy to speak to children about sex, about abuse, and that it can happen to them. So when an outsider comes and speaks, it's easy for the school to convey the message. So they're very happy to welcome us and that we are able to raise this awareness. Yeah.
How many members are there in the team?
So in the team this year we are having 12 of them who are cycling. So one group does the talking and the other group does the cycling. Yeah.
So like basically you have two groups.
Yes.
And this mission started from Manipur.
Yes.
Where are you going to end up at?
So we started in Imphal. We are ending in Bangalore in Karnataka. And we are cycling through Assam, West Bengal, Kolkata, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Andhra Pradesh, Vizag, and then we'll end in Karnataka, Bangalore.
I would like to ask like, sir, though child sexual abuse, it's a very important topic.
Yes.
There are many other topics which are very sensitive and delicate. But why did you choose this topic only?
I had an opportunity to visit Sonagachi in Calcutta, and while I was there, to understand what's actually happening, why are there so many women who are being trafficked, so many children being trafficked, and one thing that me and my wife saw were little children living in that community, going through, watching all that is happening in that community, how women are being disrespected, how they're being looked at as sex objects. And children are at risk because the children of these women who are being used in Sonagachi, they have children and they grow up in that atmosphere, in that environment. So that really hit me hard, and then I decided that I've got to do something about this, and that's how Go Cycle came into picture. And I love cycling, so I mixed the social cause with what I really like doing. So that's the idea. Yeah.
So I'll just take it. If this one goes successful, are you planning to go for like more cycle trips like this in the future?
Yes. So good question, because this is our 5th expedition. So we started in 2016. And in 2016 we did 1,700 kilometers across Karnataka. In 2017 we did Bangalore to Udaipur in Rajasthan. In 2018 we did 1,000 kilometers again within Karnataka. And in 2019 we did from Indore in Madhya Pradesh to the Wagah border in Amritsar, Punjab. So this is our 5th expedition. We've seen that this is successful, and that is why 5th year, this is our longest expedition, 20 days. And we're doing this because last year we couldn't do it because of COVID, but this year we want to add up to what we missed last year. So that is why a long 20-day experience. We want to touch as many children as possible, speak to as many people as possible, and raise this awareness. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. All the best for your mission.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, viewers, so as we got the information from the member of a cycle group that they are on a mission and they are on a mission on which they are spreading awareness on sexual child abuse, and then child trafficking. So this cycle group, they are 12 members, and then their mission started from Manipur today, this morning, and they will be ending up at Bangalore. And then yes, while they were coming to Dimapur, the cycling group from Dimapur, Patel tribe, they went to receive them up to Chummu, somewhat on the outskirts of Chummu. They brought them here at the Bethesda Higher Secondary School. So yes, this group is coming to your cities, this cycle group. Please give them your love and support. This is a very important topic. And then yes, we need to work hard to stop child trafficking and child sexual abuse all over India. Okay, thank you so much. This is Uday Kumar. For all the news updates and live coverages, please keep watching Dimapur 24/7. Thank you.